Hi, it's Sunday, March 3rd, and today we're looking at ailerons and flaps. Did find that when we did the counterweight on that, did that with lead shot up in that end of the aileron. For some reason, the foam didn't get very far down in there, and it really, you can hear the shot roll around in there, rattles around. So we're going to redo that, but other than that, we'll proceed probably with flaps first. Actually, we'll do that first and let that foam start drying, and then we'll take a look at flaps. And another milestone day today. Looks like we're going to get to take a shelf out of our shop because we've got the two flaps, the other aileron on there. Tina's been cleaning stuff up, reorganizing, and looks like we're about to make some more room in the hangar. So here we go. I have to stand inside the door again for today's weather check. It's actually a pretty nice day out here. It's kind of cold, but and windy, but yeah, pretty nice looking day. Okay, done for today, and we did get the flaps attached and well, got them installed and attached to the flap handle. I got that done, and none of this stuff is rigged or anything like that. It's just strictly attached, and we did start to work on one aileron, the left aileron. The right aileron we need to, it's over there on the bench. We have to redo the counterweight on it. The weight was fine, but you do a foam, like a foam insulation plug thing on the end of it, and it sounded like it didn't quite get, the foam didn't get all the way down in there to hold that stuff, that lead shot in there. So we took that out and we're redoing that that foam there. So we'll rebalance that aileron, and then when that's done, then we can start working on putting that on that other wing. This aileron, we do have a couple bushings that we need to fabricate. I actually have the bushings. We just need to, I just got to turn them down just a little bit, like, I don't know, 50 thousandths or something like that, to make them fit where the push rod, the push pull rod comes through here, and it attaches up inside of here. There's a bushing that you have to fabricate and put up inside of there that puts the correct spacing for this push rod here. So we'll probably actually come up, we'll come up at some point this week and finish those out, get those bushings done. So, all right. Oh yeah, and just showed we got to take that shelf down. So we're making a little more space in here, cleaning some stuff up. But yeah, thanks everybody for watching the videos and the comments and questions, and hope you all have a good evening. And that's it for now.